Every get-together needs one, but this is a way to step up the traditional veggie platter by giving it a charcuterie spin. Take the veggies also one step further by roasting them first. This recipe is a happy addition to our Real Good Food series. Veggie lover and friend of the show, Lisa Danielson, is joining me to share the how-to behind this roasted vegetable board, which looks amazing. I think if you that's half of it. If you can make vegetables look appetizing,
yes, people will eat them.
It's a great first start. What are the benefits though of roasting your veggies?
Well, we all know that vegetables are high in fiber and they have a wide variety of minerals and vitamins, and that's why we eat them, right? But really roasting them doesn't provide a lot of nutritional oomph, but we're just getting people to eat them and like them a little bit better. So they're making them more palatable by roasting them.
It's a taste benefit.
Yes, it's a taste benefit.
That doesn't take away from all of the nutrition.
No, absolutely not. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What veggies are good to roast?
So you're going to want to pick the dense ones, especially if you want to put them in a tray like this where people can kind of grab them and dip them. So I really like the carrots, sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts. If you want to go to more cruciferous vegetables, cauliflower, broccoli, those work well. So if there is a low water content in the vegetables, you're going to want to roast them. Now, if you try to roast cucumbers, it's not going to work, right? Because they're pretty much all water. So keep to the vegetables that have that low water content, and you'll end up with a beautiful result.
And does it change the stability of the vegetable? Like a raw veggie tray, I can put out and leave for a minute.
Yeah.
A roasted veggie tray, does it need to be eaten a little bit sooner or babysat?
Yeah, I mean, when I do this, I go really light on the oil when I roast them, and I don't roast them for the full time.
So they're not mushy.
Yeah, I don't want them mushy. I want them to be tender, but still a little crisp.
So it's finding that balance between the two.
Yeah.
All right, well, show us how you did pull off this board. Talk us through.
Okay, so I've got some asparagus here, and so basically what I do when I roast, I keep it super simple. I just use a little bit of olive oil. You can also use avocado oil as well. That's another really nice high heat oil.
Okay.
And then I don't add anything special, just pepper, a little bit of salt. You could add some garlic powder or even some minced garlic, but I like to have my vegetables get their flavor kind of from the dips and stuff that I use in my tray. So they kind of all bring out their own natural flavors. And then I roast everything at 425 degrees. And so like the sweet potatoes were maybe 15 minutes. The Brussels sprouts were maybe 12. So just go a little bit under what you normally would roast them.
Can you load one tray, you've lined it, I see, for easy cleanup. Can you load it with all the veggies and then take them out as they're done?
No.
No.
No. So what I do is I like to give them lots of room, and I don't put them in until that oven hits 425 degrees. Because then they'll end up soggy. So roast one vegetable at a time per tray.
Okay, and then how am I storing or preserving in between as I'm doing these
So
steps?
I just put mine in a Ziploc, covered them. I did these yesterday morning, and they still look great.
They still work.
Yeah, so I just keep them in the fridge, put them in a Ziploc, and then you know, add them to my tray.
All right, we have peppers, we have broccoli, we have carrots, we have Brussels sprouts, a little bit of carbs to balance it all out, and some sweet potatoes. Those look amazing.
Right.
What are the dips going on?
So I just have some hummus and pesto. You could also use roasted garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, anything like that that you could kind of spread on that artisan bread. If you are really good at making sourdough, because a lot of people are, I'm not, but a lot of people are really good at making sourdough bread, that would be a great addition as well to this.
I'm not seeing a ranch in sight.
I know. You don't have to have ranch on a veggie tray. I know it's so controversial, but we're keeping this guy vegan, which is okay. So you might have somebody that comes over, or maybe one of your children has a dairy allergy. So if you just keep it, you know, dairy-free, then you're good to go.
Did I push a trigger with that? Where's the ranch? Just kidding. I'm just kidding.
But everyone puts ranch on a veggie tray, right?
Default. It's the default.
It's
for
default.
Sure.
But we can be more creative than that,
well,
right?
I think of the flavors going on here, and especially as you start to layer them with those roasted veggies that seem to draw out kind of the depth of some of the flavors in the vegetables anyway. Beautiful. It's a beautiful board and appealing and appetizing to the eye as well. Lisa, thank you so much. Lisa inspires us all the time to do better in the veggie category. Where can we get more ideas and recipes from you?
Instagram, Veggie Lisa, or my website, veggielisa.com.
All right, be sure to follow and click along, watch along, read along. Lisa, thank you so much.
Thank you.